Hello, my name is Marcia Akbar. I'm the research lead on labor migration and the director of BMO Newcomer Workforce Integration Lab at Toronto Metropolitan University. My research explores the labor market integration of immigrants in Canada. I look at different groups of immigrants, including international students, temporary migrants, as well as permanent residents in Canada. In my research, I look at the challenges and the barriers that immigrants face in the Canadian labor market and how they overcome those challenges through different kinds of supports and different kind of infrastructural systems. For the MEMO project, I'm looking at Bangladeshi immigration to Canada, particularly the factors and the drivers that shape their immigration decision, as well as immigration and integration pathways in Canada. And my research found that economic factors are the main driving force for Bangladeshi immigration in Canada. For example, better employment opportunities, better career pathways, as well as better educational opportunities in Canada shape the decision of Bangladeshi immigrants to come to Canada.